How to be successful in any field of life. Success is a multifaceted concept that holds different meanings for different individuals. While some may associate success with financial wealth, others view it as achieving personal goals, finding happiness, or making a positive impact on society. Regardless of its definition, success is a journey that requires dedication, hard work, and resilience. One key aspect of success is setting and pursuing meaningful goals. These goals serve as roadmaps that guide us toward our desired achievements. Whether it's excelling in a career, building strong relationships, or pursuing a passion, having clear objectives helps us stay motivated and focused on the path to success. Set clear goals. Success begins with setting clear and achievable goals. Define what you want to accomplish, both short-term and long-term. Having a roadmap will help you stay focused and motivated. Continuous learning. In any field, knowledge is power. Never stop learning. Stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies, and seek opportunities to expand your skill set. Work ethic. Hard work and dedication are keys to success. Be willing to put in the effort, even when faced with challenges. Consistency and perseverance pay off in the long run. Networking. Building a strong network is essential. Connect with like-minded individuals, mentors, and professionals in your field. Networking can open doors to new opportunities and insights. Adaptability. Be flexible and adaptable. The world is constantly changing, and the ability to adjust to new circumstances and technologies is crucial for success. Time management. Efficient time management is essential. Prioritize tasks, set deadlines, and avoid procrastination. Time is a valuable resource, and successful individuals use it wisely. Expect setbacks and failures along the way. What separates successful people is their ability to bounce back from adversity. Learn from your mistakes and keep moving forward. Passion. Pursue what you're passionate about. Success is more sustainable when you love what you do. Your enthusiasm will drive your commitment and creativity. Remember that success is a journey, not a destination. It takes time and effort, and it's defined differently by each person. The path to success is unique for everyone, but these principles can serve as a foundation to help you achieve your goals in any field of life. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe.